Oh, look at this one. This is unbelievable. No way. So hi guys, finally we have a really nice weather here, and finally we are going to dig some things up, I hope so. Let's see what we can find today.
Guns, backhoes, badges.
Yeah! You there! Can you see us?
I'm the spring. Spring is coming! No products placement.
So I dug up this part from the oil lamp. It's the bottom of the oil lamp. It's for the oil there. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it was pretty deep. And there's also some other stuff there, but it looks like crap. So this is the first one today. So nice part of the lemonade or the beer bottle. It's wartime. Nice. But I found a lot of them here around, so soldiers were thirsty in the trenches and they were drinking this a lot. Some of them are market, but this one looks clear to me, so nothing special. Oh, look at this one. This is unbelievable. No way. My first gun this year. Unbelievable. No way. No way. Yeah. Small little guy.
Yeah, small bulldog revolver.
Yeah.
Check it. Wow. Your first?
Yeah, bulldog is my first, yeah. Nice.
Really great start of the season.
Yeah. So really nice.
Bang, 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 bang.
I a little bit hit it with the shovel.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of crappy stuff around. It's nice.
Bang, 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 bang.
It's a real gun again. Guys, please believe us, this is not fake.
Really great.
Yeah, nice.
Really great.
I was telling you I want to find this bulldog.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's really nice. Now I have one.
Maybe I'm safe. They have a new GoPro. Yeah. And we have a brush.
Yeah. I finally don't forget it in the car. Oh yeah, this part is really nice, sir. It's a little small weapon.
Really amazing. Great.
It's really bad condition. Nice. I think also the trigger is here in this part. So around, it looks like a toy gun a little bit. it's pretty heavy, so I can't see now the cartridges there. But I think that maybe there aren't there. Looks like it's empty. So yeah, this is better to see on the sun. So nice little weapon. You can see the cartridges maybe aren't there. Let's see. So pretty nice. Really nice. Look at this. These are the creepy stuff all around. Yuck. Yeah. I didn't like this all around this place. Look at this one. Nice cartridge from mouse rifle. Oh, it's there 44. And looks like it wasn't shot, but I don't know why the bullet is missing then. Nice. It's 44 there. Nice one. The first mouse rifle cartridge here. Where did it? Ah, yeah. And look at this one. It's right few centimeters from the first one. Second cartridge. I will look at the markings there. It's 19. Oh, my hand is shaking. 1938. Huh? Nice one. So it's starting to look like a good season, I think. Weapons, ammunition and stuff. Nice. So look at this nice handle. Nice. It's old. Yeah, I think it's a really nice old handle from the Windows maybe, or something like that. Nice. Look at this. This is not so old, but maybe. But nothing special. It's a wheel from the bicycle. It's going under my legs. I was thinking that's a bayonet, but look at this part. It's a wheel from our bicycle. Now I'm searching for Nils. Sometimes we are... I think I heard something. Sometimes we are really long distance from each other. Yeah. I think I can't find him. Huh? Yeah, I got him. Somewhere over there. So, nice day. My third weapon in my life. Now I have 2 revolvers and 1 rifle. Yeah. Meteor. Who knows? But it's nice. It's pretty old. I think it's from the stove, maybe. Oh, nice coin. Oh, 2. Oh, coins? No. Look at this one. Look at this. I can't see it right now. Oh, maybe it's German. Yeah, I see the swastika there. Guys, there it is. I have my toothbrush there. Yeah, it's pretty nice condition. Yeah. Almost fell down. Yes. Nice swastika there. You can see that. It's 1944. Some Reich something maybe. You can figure it out what is on the second side. Oh, it's falling apart a little bit. So, don't know. But it's a nice coin. Nice little nice coin. I didn't find them often, so it's always a nice find. Look at this small button. It's a German one, I think. These buttons are always playing with me hide and seek game because they are pretty light and they are always hiding in the leaves. So yeah, but definitely it's a 3-hole German button. Pretty nice. You see, 3 holes there. Another nice German button. Oh, my first Russian card casing today. Nice. Nils found something from a weapon there. And I found a small casing, Russian casing. So a nice buckle. There are a lot of signals in this foxhole. I think it's a Russian maybe. Nils is coming. It's a Russian or?
I think this is Russian.
Yeah. So let's dig up all the signals there. Russian buckle. So I'm still digging in this foxhole and I just found this nice cartridge. A Russian cartridge. So nice little guy. So definitely this is the best find for me today and I'm very happy to find it. It's my third weapon in my life. It's a small revolver, maybe it's something like Bulldog or some other manufacturer. There are no bullets inside. I don't know if you can see that. So the second side. It's not a toy, it's a real weapon, but it's really small. They were using it like some backup weapon in the boots or something like that. So Nils is still hunting there. What do you have there?
No idea.
Oh, nice rock. Oh, I'm tired. But it was a nice day, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hungry.
You're still hungry.
Yeah, I'm still hungry. I'm a big guy, I need to eat. It's a medal. Medal.
Crap. It's crap.
We are finding a crap all the day. So it was a nice day. I found my third weapon in my life, and now it's time to go home. So this is Nils, this is me, Willy, and bye guys. So just don't forget to subscribe and be ready for next videos next week. I'm horny like a teenager.